That a couple nights ago, I woke up in the middle of the night. I wasn't feeling well at all. I thought I was sick.
Alrighty, well, got a little dilemma here, and I'm getting a late start because I'm in a back and forth with the New Zealand Post right now, trying to figure out why my package is being held. They say it's because of dangerous goods, lithium batteries, but I filled out all the paperwork, paid for everything I was supposed to pay for, paid for express delivery. So now we're in a back and forth, I guess, trying to figure that out. They want me to come, they want to send it back to New Zealand, but there's no New Zealand address on there. It's my home address back in the United States, but yeah. So now I'm in a back and forth trying to figure out what's going on here. You know, filled out the paperwork. I paid for what I was told to pay for, and like I said, I filled out all the paperwork, did what I was supposed to do, as directed by them. So I don't know what's going on. So I'm getting a late start today. I should have been on the road an hour and a half ago, but now I'm dealing with this. So we'll see. Anyway, I should be on the road soon, I hope.
Well, I'm finally on the road. It's already hot. Which way are we going? This way. Thanks. All right. Take this so I get out of the city. Oh no, we're not going this way. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. That one right there. Okay, yeah. All right, back where we got. I was kind of worried there for a second. But we're all good now. Wow, the shoulder just got small. See if it opens up later on down the road. Oh, shortcut to where? I'll take it. The road that the bike route gives, and it doesn't give this, although this is a bike route, and you can ride your bikes on here in the urban areas. You know, so not urban areas, but rural areas. But here, you got this big old giant shoulder to work with. Down there, to my left, there is no shoulder. Yeah, picked up a headwind. Oh, it sucks. So much for making good time. The only thing that'll make up for this headwind is a freaking downhill the rest of the way. But nope, that's not going to happen. This road's kind of turned rough and narrow. Oh, the wind's picking up. It's getting a little cooler, which is okay. Okay. Got to mention is that a couple nights ago, I woke up in the middle of the night. I wasn't feeling well at all. Thought I was sick. Throat was hurting, runny nose, signs and symptoms. So I actually had it's a kit that I got when I was in New Zealand. They pass it out to everyone when they're entering the country, or you have a choice to grab it. So I took the test, and negative. Double checked it. Another one, negative. Thank you. So I've been feeling like crap. But I'm still riding. You know, just doing my thing. Feeling better, but just gotta stay hydrated and go from there. The throat is much better. It wasn't sore, it was just scratchy, but feels much better now. Much better than it did a couple of days ago. But anyway, I'm coming up on my exit, so focus on the road. Our exit. Get this exit, and yeah. So now we're back on a back road just to get into town. And single lanes. But people they drive just as fast on here as they do on the highway. And the shoulder's narrower. I'm surprised the shoulder's as big as it is. Or that it even has a shoulder. The other side is much smaller. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, either way, almost there. Oh, come on, baby. Up the hill.
I have to deal with some issues with New Zealand Post and some other things, so I'm going to end this video, but stick around to the end for a look at the map of today's ride.
This is where I'm staying. Oh, I wasn't sure if I was in the right place. I am in the right place.